Don't miss out on the top 2 sales opportunities in the annuity market.
Yep, that's right, Tim. The agents need to make sure you're not missing out on these. The two most common ones that I see come across my desk are 401k rollover opportunities and clients wanting guaranteed income for life.
Yeah, 2 great areas, very broad. So let's talk about these. What makes these part of the top opportunities out there? I think for guaranteed income, we often are reminded that the number one fear for Americans turning 65 is that they'll run out of income before they run out of breath. And annuities are the only thing that people can buy that will give them an income that they cannot outlive. That's really strong. And the rates today, due to innovation, all the other stuff that's going on in the market, the interest rates and everything else, are really very high, higher than we've ever seen for income right now. We can get a 65-year-old couple can get an income higher, above 7% guaranteed for as long as they live. So it's really a phenomenal value proposition. And then there's a number of other things, right, about that income, like the enhanced benefits that we talked about.
Yeah, sure. The enhanced benefits, in some cases with products that you're able to get either up to twice your money for up to 5 years if you come into a long-term care situation, whether you're being confined into a nursing home or just can't perform 2 of 6 ADLs at home, activities of daily living. So it's a great way to be able to have some extra enhanced liquidity while you're in your retirement to help pay for a very important and expensive need.
Right. And again, a lot of what we're talking about, the underlying concepts that we're saying, that we use the guarantee word very lightly, in fact, but it's really a phenomenal word. There's very few things out there that are as rich with guarantees as the fixed annuity market. And these income riders are certainly one of them. No downside market risk and an income guaranteed to last as long as they live, no matter what. That's pretty strong.
Yep. So that's definitely one opportunity you can't miss asking your clients about it. That's going to be important to them. The second one that comes to mind that we mentioned is 401k rollovers. Most of your clients that you're meeting with, helping them out with Medicare, they're going to have a 401k. And if no one's helping them with it, you need to ask them about it.
Yeah, that's a great point. So some things about that, it's interesting that, we have like 11,000 baby boomers turning 65 a day right now, from now till 2028. And we look at the average 401k balances, averages at both Vanguard and Fidelity are nearly $300,000 for people that are 65 and up. Those are the averages. So there's a lot of accounts that are much larger than that. And these are people that have been successfully saving, typically through payroll reduction plans at work, and not thinking about it much. And the market's done very well for the last few decades. So it's been sort of on autopilot, but they need help. Once they get to retirement, they need to convert that from an accumulation tool, what they've been doing and saving for all that time, into something that's going to provide a very effective and reliable and tax-efficient income for them. And we've got the solutions for that. The annuity solutions for that are better than so many of the things that are out there in the way that they address retirement income needs like they do.
Yep. So if you're not asking for it, potentially after getting the Medicare sale, your clients could go down the road and end up rolling that 401k over with somebody else. You just can't afford to miss out on that opportunity.
Right. Yeah. So you're touching on the need to brand yourself. The team here at Gordon has a number of different programs that can help you with that. But the biggest thing we really try to help you avoid is having your client think of you as just a Medicare agent or just a life agent. And like Steve said, you go and help them with the Medicare sale today, and then they go down the street and do a 401k rollover or guaranteed income solution with someone else, and you miss out on that opportunity. We'd hate to see that happen to you, and we've got tools to help you address that. We've got tools to help you with the branding of yourself with your clients so that they know that you can be their go-to for help with retirement planning, for long-term care, for life insurance, whatever that may be.
Yep. With that, make sure to reach out to us when you have those cases. But to end this, we want to make sure you continue to watch these episodes. So make sure you like, follow, comment, and share these videos. And with that, happy selling.